as the question says, suppose a monochromatic X-ray beam of wavelength 100 picometer is sent through a Young's double slit and the interference pattern is observed on a photographic plate placed 40 centimeters away from the slit. What should be the separation between the slits so that the successive maxima on the screens are separated by a distance of 0.1 mm? So simply we are having the two slits with the distance d, and we are having a plate over here at a distance of capital D, and we have the distance between the successive maximas as beta. Now we have been given the capital D to be 40 centimeters. We have been given the beta as 0.1 mm, and we all know that the relation beta, this is we know via wave optics actually. You might have read the chapter wave optics. From that we know beta equal to lambda d by d, right? So from here small d is actually lambda d over beta. So putting the values over here, we are having the lambda to be 100 into 10 to the power minus 12, capital D to be 40 into 10 to the power minus 2, and beta, that is 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 3, giving us the value of D to be 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 meters.